How to get blue tick on a small Instagram account without money. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's take whether we can get blue tick on a small Instagram account without money or not. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure that you update Instagram. Open Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If there is updates, update it. After that, you need to simply meet Instagram eligibility criteria before getting a blue tick on Instagram without paying. For that, your account must represent a real person or business or entity. Your account should have complete profile picture, bio, and at least a post. And then your account must be public. For that, tap profile at bottom right, tap three line at top right, and after that you have to scroll down. Select account privacy and toggle the button off for private account. And then you need to have a consistent presence and engagement on Instagram. And then only one account, person or business is eligible. After that, you simply need to tap on profile icon at bottom right, and after that tap three line at top right. Then you simply need to submit the application and apply for verification. For that, scroll to the bottom and tap help. Now you need to simply tap on report a problem. And now choose report problem without checking. Select include and continue, and here you simply need to write in here that I want to get blue tick on my Instagram account. Please help me to get it. Now tap send button at top right. And Instagram typically takes a few days to a few weeks to respond to a verification request. If you are denied, don't give up. You can repeat it or reapply after 30 days. So in this way, you can easily get a blue tick on your small Instagram account without money. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.